single leg hip extension with your hands on the stability ball. So the goal of this exercise is to work up to a single leg deadlift. So we're really working on maintaining the balance while of course getting those hip extensions in and working out the hamstrings and glutes. So what you're going to do is you're going to place your hands on your stability ball, but you're not placing your weight on the stability ball. It's just there to catch you in case. From there, your knees are going to be slightly bent. You're going to bring the leg that's working out behind you. Also super important, you're going to keep your hips level. So you don't want to be rotating out or dropping that other hip. You shouldn't be able to see that. It should be nice and flat. Same thing with the shoulder. So no rounding of the back. Nice neutral back. Shoulders down. Abdominals engaged. Chin in line with the spine. You don't want that chin poking up or pulling down. Bring that chin on the escalator and bringing it up towards your ears. From there, we're ready to go. Pelvic floor engaged. Abs tight. Hands again, lightly on the ball. We're going to go ahead and lift that back leg. Tap down. Squeeze the glutes and lift. Again, you should be able to let go. The ball is just there as a security measure. And that's your single leg hip extension with stability ball.